select new, select metric template, choose standard and create, select 2D sketch and choose SY plane. Okay, create and arc center point. The center is at the origin here, and draw the arc 90 degree here and 90 degree below here. Then dimension this arc, the radius is 200 mm. Then create a line above here, and the distance is 150 mm, and another line here, straight line 150 mm. Then finish sketch. Okay, now we want to create a plane here at the point here, so select plane, expand it and choose parallel to plane through point, and select the point here and go to the origin here and select YZ plane. So this is a new plane. Then we create a sketch here, right click and create a new sketch here. Okay, create a circle at the center point here, and the diameter is, the first diameter 290, and another circle diameter is 210 mm. Then finish sketch. Okay, you can hide this plane, right click and visibility. Right, we choose sweep here and select the profile and select the curve here, and then click OK. Okay, just click yes. Right, then we create a new sketch at this surface here, right click and new sketch. First, project the geometry here, the circle geometry, then create a rectangle, 2-point center rectangle, and the center is at the center point here, and the dimension is 360 and 360. Okay, then finish sketch. We extrude this sketch, choose this profile here and flip direction here, and the distance is 50 mm. Okay, and then create another sketch at the above here, right click, new sketch, project geometry this circle, and then create a center point rectangle at the center here, 360 mm, and then finish sketch. Then extrude, select this sketch, flip dimension, flip direction and 50 mm here, and click OK. Okay, now we want to create a hole at this surface. So first, create the center point of the hole. Select this surface, right click and new sketch. Select point, create a point here, then create a point right here and dimension it. This point from this side is 50, and this point from this top is 50. Okay, then finish sketch. We go to the hole, choose hole type as a counter bore, and change the counter bore diameter to 50 diameter, 50 mm, and the head is 10 mm, and another diameter below is 30 mm diameter, and this hole is through all this surface. Alright, you can just drag it. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now we want to pattern this hole. We use rectangle pattern. Choose rectangle pattern and choose the feature. You can click at this model browser. Okay, find the hole one here. Click at the hole one as our features, and then click at the right direction one here. Then click the direction at this line here. Now we want to flip this direction. Go to this and flip the direction. And the hole we want to is 2 hole, and the distance from the center hole is 260. And we want to copy this hole to this direction, so go to direction 2 and select this line and flip direction. Then the distance is also 260. Then click OK. So the hole is copied with rectangular pattern. Okay, now we do the same at this top. Right click, new sketch, and create a point here. Then dimension it from the top is 50, and then from the side is 50. Then finish sketch. Okay, create a hole here, and the diameter, counter bore diameter here, 10. Okay, and the diameter below here. Then you must check. Okay, this is all through all hole. Okay, then click OK. So we do the same pattern. Select rectangle pattern and select the hole number 2 here as our features, and go to direction 1, select this line and flip direction, and then the distance is 260, and then go to direction 2, select this line and flip direction, and the distance also 260, then click OK. Now we finish our fitting, elbow fitting. Then we can apply the material. Okay, go to the generate here, expand it, and we choose aluminum 6061. Then we can check the properties of this material. Go to file and check it here, eye properties, or you can right click at this part, right click and go to eye properties and choose a physical, and the material is aluminum 6061. Then click update. So this is physical properties for this material. Okay, now we can save elbow fitting and save. Now we want to create a drawing. Go new and choose metric template and go to drawing, choose ISO and create. First, okay, change your style. We can change our style here, style editor at the manage here, style editor. Then first standard, default standard, we want to projection as a third angle. Okay, then click save, and then I want to change the dimension, then default standard here. Okay, then I want to change decimal marker as a period, and then the text and the precision I want to change 0, and then the text here, diameter style I want to change, and the radius style I want to change. Then save and close. Okay, now we can place our part. Go to place view, select base, and this is our part. You can arrange it here. Then this is front view. You want to top view and side view here. Also isometric view here. Okay, then click OK. Okay, you can change the view of each view by click the border of this view, double click, and you can change it, the style here. Okay, I want to change this as a shaded. and display option, I want to remove the tangent edges. Okay, then click OK. Okay, now we go to annotate here, and first we create a center mark for the hole, this hole. And this one. Okay, then I want to create a center line bisector here. The first sector here to here, and this line. Okay, another one center mark I want to create here, right? Okay, then we can dimension this view. You can arrange your dimension here. Okay, and okay, another one dimension this hole. I want to change this style. Right click and go to option. I want to single dimension line here, and also here I want to change single dimension line, right? Then the last one, I want to create a detail view here at the hole here. So go to place view and select the detail view here. So we can detail this view. Okay, select the border of this view to activate it, and then we can choose the shape we want to create a detail. So I choose circular, then select the center point of the circular, and we can drag it to show the view here, right? Then you can drag up here. So this is our detail view for this view here. So now I want to annotate this one as hole and thread here. Choose hole and thread, and then select this hole, and it will show the hole and thread annotation here. So we can edit this by double click if we want. Okay, we can edit this. If I want to remove this dip, I just select this and delete. So click OK. So it won't show the dip of this hole. Okay, so we finish our drawing here. Now we can edit the definition at the title block here. So go to sheet and go to ISO here, right click and edit definition. Okay, so this is our title block. You can change your name here at design by. You can put your name and click OK. Your company, okay, then maybe your title here. Then click OK. Then finish sketch if you already finished edit. Finish sketch and save. So this is our drawing. Now you can save your drawing. Click save and just click save. And then we can save as this drawing as PDF file. Go to file and save as, choose a save copy as, and choose the PDF type here. Then click save. Okay, we finish our drawing.